Were there other questions, Larissa?
Yeah, I did ask you this before. It's like,
Uh-huh.
and maybe I think the rest of your community would also want to know if you're gonna travel back, if you're gonna start your career again, but today, and
Yeah.
with all the available technologies, how are you going to do it? Are you gonna do it differently?
Yeah, that's right. You did ask me this question, and you really made me think with it. Um, I think that I would still end up where I'm at now, maybe just taking a couple of different career turns. You know, like for example, somebody gave me the advice when I was younger about, don't do things for money, don't take a job for money because that's just going to lead you to bad things. And I did
Mm-hmm.
that once in my career and I kind of regret it. So that person was right. And so that's probably one of the few changes that I would make in my career where, there were a couple of job changes where I thought, I'd like a redo on that one. But, you learn from every experience. But overall, I really enjoy what I'm doing now. I
Mm-hmm.
see some career paths that I thought I would have enjoyed that I wouldn't have or I wasn't ready for. I think when you and I spoke, I gave you the example of being a lawyer. There was a time in my
Yes.
life where I thought I'd be a good lawyer, but I probably wasn't ready for it at that particular period in my life. I think I'd make a great lawyer now, but I'm not going to go back to law school or anything. But
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, but I think it's just kind of finding where your maturity and your readiness match up with your interests. That's not always going to match up. I was interested in the law, but I wasn't ready for it on other factors.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I think, but overall, I would just do the same things because I'm very proud of the career I've had.